Hey Rowan, just to let you know what I see. So I'm looking at your response here to the daddy activity, and when I scroll down and click on your link, I keep seeing that I need access. So maybe I'll just put this in here and you'll get a request that I would like access. Maybe you can grant it to me. The other way that you can think about this is, so when I want to make a document shareable, because I'm assuming it's a Google Doc, is that I want to go into share it. Right now it's private only to me. What we want to do is go down here, and it says restricted, only people added. So you can add me up here, or down here, Hastings and Prince Edward District School Board, or you can just do anyone with the link so that I can add it in there, or you can even just add me jtravers@apps.hbsb.on.ca, and you can share it to me there as well. So either respond to that, it should have sent you a request to your Gmail, or you can just go into the document, click that blue link, and just make sure that it's open for me to be able to view, and then I'll be able to pop it into your assignment Dropbox. Hope that helps.